50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 47. Peaceful Mind. Lord, grant me a peaceful mind amidst the noise of the world. Help me to find stillness and tranquility in your presence. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Stay focused on your goals, even when distractions arise.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Educate yourself about the impact of overfishing and support sustainable seafood choices.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us plant the seeds of unity and watch as they grow into a world of peace and harmony.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a reminder that we are here to connect, to build relationships, and to nurture community.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.